We learned in the last video when to pronounce fat and fate, or man or mundane. Letters C and G has two types of sounds, soft and hard. Soft C has sound like S, for example, city, and hard C like a sound K, for example, cake. Soft G has a sound like J, for example, gym, and hard G has a sound like G, for example, in glass. But the question is, how do we recognize that the sound is soft or hard? If the letter C is followed by CI, CE, or CY, then it has a soft sound. Otherwise, it's hard. Let's have a few examples. So, receive, recite, and cycle are the examples of soft C, whereas cap, clay, and cycle has hard C. So now I think you know why do we say this word sell and this word call.